So, what is up guys? This is Mananabas PH and pag-usapan natin ngayon guys yung week 3 para bukas sa event. So, open natin to, and ito. So, week 3 festival check-in event. So, check-in event. So, as usual, yan lang naman. Check-in na kayo 7 days, weapon and mount. Discounted ticket. So, kailangan natin to from discounted. Siyempre, New Year's gift chest. So, ano ba ang laman ng New Year's gift chest? Siyempre, rare mount, weapon style, growth. So, random yan guys. So, mount and weapon style, 11 times selection, sun, battle talisman, moon, protection talisman, meal, and chest. So, winter festival mission completion event. So, mission completion event. Wait lang, naglolo ko yung mouse ko. So, ito, mission reward. Attempt to craft 20 times. Defeat monster 5k. Attempt to bless the gear. So, blessing. So, kailangan nyo yung blessing stones para makuha nyo itong alchemy, coupon, platinum. So, sa Pidget, growth support. So, mag-refine lang kayo ng 70 times para makuha nyo itong splendid enhancement scroll. So 10 piraso na splendid enhancement scroll. Okay din to ah. So next naman is yung Pidgets growth support blessing. So attempt to bless 100 times para makuha nyo itong mga blessing stones. And yung blessing stones na brilliant. So dalawa lang yan. So, new beginning of immortality, January growth mission. So, ito yung monthly event guys. So, attempt to combine for mount, weapon, element, craft kayo ng master aircraft 10 times, use legendary crafting piece, use mount, epic mount 4 times, summon, epic weapon, extract element, craft kayo ng legendary glider chest. Challenge to guys and then attempt to enhance plus 7 Nitros gear. So para makakuha kayo ng legendary mount, weapon, and element designation summon. So kayong mamimili niyan guys. So ang event natin bukas is yung weapon style order. So beginners weapon style order. So natural lang din naman, same lang din yan. Obtain ng uncommon, common, obtain kayo ng uncommon, rare, and epic. So, ganun lang din. So, dito naman kay Alin sa weapon style order. So, obtain lang kayo ng common, summon kayo ng uncommon, combine kayo ng uncommon, summon kayo ng rare, combine kayo ng rare, summon kayo ng epic, and combine kayo ng weapon. Epic. So, trashing mythical aura. Ano kaya ang trashing mythical aura? So, ang laman ng trashing mythical aura is combine weapon. Yan, hanggang 12 times. Then, mag-combine kayo ng legendary. Parang ito yata yung mythic try. So, ng weapon. So, next naman natin is yung event crafting for December. So, yan. Ito yun. So, kailangan nyo ng 8 trashing mythical aura para makakuha kayo ng mythical weapon style chance. So, 20% yung success rate niya guys. So, dito naman sa baba is 100%. So, pagka nag-fail kayo dito, makakuha kayo ng legendary weapon style. So, mamimili kayo dyan. Then, next naman natin is yung mythical wishful weapon style. So, siya yan. So, crew break secret chest. So, ito event. Yan yung mga event. Time limit guys. So, ito yung first 5 crew within the server. No limit. Yan. So, crew break secret chest. Yan. Crowley precious luck chest. Then yung open, pag in-open nyo yung chest na yun, so ito yung mga laman. So yan lang guys. Sa Chirpy, small open, yan. Metal, yan. Sa long tail, round open chest, yan. puro mga pitch black and brilliant enhancement. So sa Pidgeot white open, so ayan. Sa United crew brakes, yan din. So mga weapon and mount, syempre may plus 6 din dito. So yan lang naman guys yung event natin para bukas. So abangan na natin to. And good luck sa mga makakuha ng mythical na alchemy, and that is it. So maraming salamat guys, and non pala to guys, non maintenance tong week 3. So tuloy-tuloy lang ang laban. So automatic yan magpapalit. So ayun, good luck sa inyo bukas guys. And GG's.